Hi, I'm Taylor, Lauren's friend. Yeah. So,
Can I have my balloon?
it's in the kitchen.
It's not in the kitchen.
I don't know where it is then. It's on the stairs.
No,
Go get it. Go look for it.
I can't find it.
You didn't look for it.
Look at that!
Chase, go away.
Chase, go away.
I'm serious. Go. You have to be 11 to go in this room. Are you 11? Chase, are you 11?
You have to be 11 to be in the video.
So go downstairs.
Alright?
Okay? Maybe next time, okay?
Can you leave? Why not?
Okay? Go.
I gotta go.
You're blue.
Chase.
Chase, bless me with your Go. Go. Hurry. Close the door behind you. Close the door.
Yeah, you gotta close the door. Get some licorice. Oh my god.